The 9mm Type 37 submachine gun differed only slightly from the Type 36 and was basically a conversion of the .45 caliber Type 36 model. To facilitate the 9mm Parabellum cartridge, the barrel was extended 8mm further out of the rear of the barrel nut than a standard .45 caliber barrel. This was necessary to reliably feed the shorter 9mm round into the barrel's chamber. The rear of the 9mm barrel is slightly larger near the receiver end where it is pressed into the muzzle nut. The bolt is similar to the .45 model, except the bolt face was recessed 8mm further to compensate for the portion of the barrel protruding rearward. To feed the Type 37, a copy of the British Sten magazine was used. To permit the 9mm magazine to fit into the magazine well, a three-sided magazine adapter was fabricated from a piece of .030 of an inch-thick spring steel. The adapter was held in place by two metal tangs on each side. The standard M3A1 magazine release was used. To remove the 9mm magazine adapter, the release button must be removed. The adapter is identical to that used in the World War II USA 9mm grease gun conversion kit, except there are no caliber or drawing numbers present. The Type 37 was only manufactured for a brief period before the Communists overran the city of Nanking during April of 1949. Prior to the Communist takeover of the Jianlin arsenal, the nationalist Chinese fled to Formosa, taking most of the manufacturing equipment with them. Once settled on Formosa, production of the 9mm Type 37 resumed and redesignated as the Type 39. The submachine guns manufactured on Formosa are marked with the logo of the new Ordnance Department established there, the Combined Service Forces. The M3, as known as grease gun, was adopted by the United States Army on Christmas Eve 1942, replacing the Thompson submachine gun. M3 was designed by George J. Hyde Sr., that designs the FP-45 Liberator pistol, and also Aptend SMG, Frederick Sampson and Colonel Rene Studler in 1942, and produced by the General Motors Guide Inland Division from 1943 to 1945. Approximately 700,000 Model M3 were made, as known as T-20.